Alright guys, here are the tools you're going to need to install your pull strap. You need a zip tie, pull strap you made. I just made a video for that. Just some sort of zip tie cutter, scissors, or a side cutter. Here's a door panel tool to remove the clips that hold the door panel on. You need a large size Phillips. A flashlight would really help, and maybe a magnet tray to put all the screws. Alright, now we're going to show you how to take the door panel off. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel and install the pull strap. So step 1's roll the window all the way down and take off this little knob. Like that. And pull the door handle a little bit and push this clip back. So I got this small tool, or a small flathead of some sort. Pry this cover off. Sorry about that. Let's get that off to get access to a screw that's in there. There's 2 down here. That. There's a metal tab that's hooked onto the door panel up here. There's a small hook right here. You have to slide everything forward. That's it. Here's the tab for that. Here's a tab on that one. So just set that aside. And that's it. Now we just need to use our door panel tool and pop off all the clips. There's about, I think, 9 or 10. That's it. Now just pull everything up. Just like that. And set that aside. Now pull this back. Take these 2 screws off. You have to push this handle inward and rotate it like this to get it to come off this rod. So inward first, and Sorry, this one is the other way around. Sorry, for this one I misspoke. You have to remove the screws, turn it this way, get it to come off the rod. And the next step, you're going to push this little pin to come out. Just like that. Look at that. And to take the door handle off, you just push it inward. That's it. We're reusing this. Just give it a quick wipe. Now this will be our bezel for our pull strap. Just like that. Just put this back in. Start these by hand. Alright, now get your pull strap and feed it through this rod. It's got a hook on the end. Feed it one piece at a time. So like that. Now we're going to zip tie the end of it closed. Easier if you just start it outside. So just on the end of the hook, just to prevent it from coming all the way off. And then run another zip tie through the strap itself and onto the rod. So it's running through both eyelets and the rod to help prevent it from coming off. Like that. And now just feed this through this hole. Just like that. I put this plastic back on. That's it. So now you put the door panel back on. A lot of people won't show you this. It's pretty easy, but I'm going to show you a few tricks. Ideally, you can put this on all at once, but sometimes it's hard to get this top channel to fit. Just pull your strap through, and then get your lock to go through the hole, just like that. this top piece like that and install that separately. It's what the technique I kind of prefer. Now the door panel latches onto these tabs. So all you have to do is get it to feed through here, feed the strap, and then get it to land in these tabs. On the driver's side, you're going to have a control in this area for the mirrors. Just have to feed it through the hole that's already there. And it's easier to start on this end. So that's all the way in now. Now your next step is lining up the door panel clips. So the whole door panel needs to shift inward a little bit. Like that. Now you just hit them on. That's it for that. Just line up the bottom one first. Alright, so now you just have to line this up. Just having a hard time really lining it up. I think I got it now. Perfect. Get started with the next one going. Perfect. You can tighten this one all the way now. There. And this one the rest of the way. And this one. Just put your cover back on. And this back on. That's it.